The next student is Abdul Malik, whose topic is Youth Power is the Symbol.
In this day, I stand before you to talk about a force that has shaped the course of history. A force that has the power to change the world, and that force is youth power. The youth power is not just about energy, but about vision, determination, and courage to challenge the status quo. And youth power is a symbol of revolution. Throughout history, the young people have been driving force behind every great revolution. From the French Revolution to the fight for independence in many nations. And it was a youth who took the lead. They dared to the dream of a better world and worked relentlessly to make it reality. They fought for justice, equality, and freedom, even when the odds were stacked against them. What makes the youth such a powerful force? It is their passion, it is their fearlessness in the face of adversity. It is their willingness to challenge what others deem impossible. The youth are not bound by a tradition or fear of failure, but they have the courage to break through barriers, to take risks, and to bring about change. The youth power is not just about fighting for a cause. It is also using creativity and fresh ideas to solve the world's most pressing problems. Today, young people are leading charge in technology. The youth power is a symbol of revolution. In every revolution, the youth is not participant. They are the leaders. They are the ones who envision the future and inspired others to follow. They are the ones who ask the difficult questions and who refuse to accept the world as it is and who dare to imagine a better tomorrow. But with great power comes great responsibility. The youth must use their power, and they must remember that revolution is not just about to challenging the old, but about building something new and better for all world.